Hi everyone! It's me, Teacher Jelly, ang inyo, teacherelang
Lincoln!
happy 16,000 subscribers!
Yay!
I am deeply grateful for all your support. Can't believe we've grown this much, and I know that our community will keep on growing for the next days to come. I'm super glad to share with you this news, and I just can't wait to tell you, so I decided to make this short video. Last month, Classin announced the free access of the entire Classin functions for institutions. So, kumbaga, ang pag-register niya ay per school, hindi per individual teachers. And some teachers messaged and asked me, Teacher Jelly, how about if it's just me who wants to use it, or if I am an individual teacher or tutor who isn't working for any institution? Well, now you can avail the entire Classin solution with a 20% discount when you use my link. Sweet! But in case you're new here and you just stumbled upon this video by chance, let me tell you what you can do with Classin. Classin is a software that you can use for your online teaching and presentation. Its base feature is video conferencing, where you can talk with your audience. You know how video conferencing works. But this is where it gets more exciting, because unlike other learning applications or sites, Classin has a lot of teaching tools.
Like what?
You can make use of the hand gesture for hand raising of the students or audience. They also have DICE, text collaborator, where students and teachers can brainstorm and work on a task together. Share screen with sound, small whiteboards that serve as the whiteboards that they use in a real classroom. Slot machine for random selection. Hello index cards. Timer. Selector for multiple choice activities. Search engine. Yes, you can actually search within Classin. Like you go to Google or YouTube and then share it with the rest of the class. And a lot more. I have other Classin videos in this channel, and you can just go check that out. I have a separate playlist for Classin videos. Recently, I've uploaded a video about creating EDB files. EDB files are interactive activities that you can use for your online classes. And for the next weeks to come, I'm gonna be uploading other videos talking about other features. I'll be putting my discount link in my description box. And if you have more questions, feel free to comment that in the comment section below. I'll see you again, syempre. Bye-bye!